Hello everyone, this is Sally from BrotherFiltration. We are a manufacturer of filter cartridges and filter housing in China, and we have been in filtration market over 10 years now. Today, I'm going to introduce you one of BrotherFiltration most featured product, Ploykleen pleated bag filters. Ploykleen series is a pleated filter bag specially designed to replace conventional filter bag size 1 and size 2. But they can operate under high flow rate and high filtration efficiency. This is our size 1 pleated bag filter. This is our size 2 pleated bag filter. This year, we have upgraded pleated bag filter from this old generation to this new generation. You can see the top corner of this new generation is same as conventional bag filter. That means Brother pleated bag filter now can available for most standard filter housings, including single bag filter housing and multi-bag filter housing. You can directly install Brother pleated bag filter inside your standard housings. So you do not need to spend extra cost to change the existing equipment. Compared with conventional filter bag, Brother pleated bag filter have below advantages. Firstly, Ploykleen series is multi-layer pleated and use advanced pleating technology. They can provide 6 times larger filtration area. Thus, they can bring you longer surface life, higher dirt holding capacity, and less filter element for changeout. Secondly, Ploykleen pleated bag filter also allows highly accurate filtration and fine filtration. They can be absolute rated from 1 micron to 100 micron. Ploykleen pleated bag filter is also in and out flow direction as conventional bag filter. Particles and contaminants can be directly captured inside the element. Compared out to in filter cartridges, they can avoid secondary pollution when you take out the filter element. Brother pleated bag filter are also polypropylene or glass fiber filter media construction. These filters can be used in many demanding industries like automotive, painting, chemicals, petrochemicals, food and beverage, and many other applications. Besides, Brother can offer you customer engineering services according to your specific applications. For more information, you can call us at 027-8399-2898 or email us at info@brotherfiltration.com. Thank you.